Hey, it's time to take a look at meeting your customers in the middle. That is, how your website can unite your visitors' wants with your business needs. We'll walk through how to think like a customer and design your website accordingly, all without losing sight of your own goals. So you're starting to design your site. As you do this, keep your goals in mind, but also consider what your visitors are looking for. Marrying what you want people to do on your site and what they want to do is the secret to success. Here's an example. Think of the last time you went to a website looking for a phone number. Maybe you wanted to ring a shop to ask a question or get directions. Was the number easy to find? If you're a business, be sure to put your phone number in a very visible location, maybe even highlight it on every page of your site. You might even consider adding some text encouraging visitors to call now, and make your contact page easy to find, in case that's their first stop. Also, it's a good idea to allow mobile users viewing your site to call you with just one click. So, back to our local bakery. Let's say you want more locals to visit the shop. Meanwhile, your customers want to know how to find you when they're craving some fresh baguettes. Including maps on your website along with specific directions can make you both happy. So, what other things visitors might be looking for on your website? Prices, special offers, certifications to show you're qualified to provide a service. By making sure all of these things are easily available, you match your business goals with your visitors' needs. And if you're interested in learning how to measure what your visitors are doing on your website with analytics, check out our lessons on that topic, too. Now let's talk about content, or the actual words on your pages. The words you use should be so much more than just a sales pitch. In most cases, you want to avoid technical jargon and chest beating about how great you are. Instead, explain how you can meet the needs of your customer or solve a problem they have. By framing it in terms of what you can do to help visitors, your content will be much more engaging, not to mention more helpful. To achieve this, write in a tone that's confident, but not intimidating. Unless your audience is made up of astrophysicists, explain concepts in everyday language. Tell a story to help connect with your visitors. Things like testimonials or videos starring satisfied customers whose problem you solved, or letting people write reviews about your products and services directly on your site can really help. Remember, every second counts. People won't be on your website for long, and they may scan words quickly or not at all. But images, headlines, and clear navigation can help them find exactly what they're looking for before they move on. Design and build your website with your business goals and your visitors' desires in mind, and it will have a much better chance of success. Thank you for watching. Keep going.